पिंक वाला 1, 2, 3 and 4. चीटिंग नहीं. What have you written?
तुमने बोला ना कि पूरा लिखना है, उसके बाद बताएंगे.
नहीं पूरा नहीं, पहले दिखा दीजिए आप.
दिखा दूं? बट तुमने 2 बोला अभी 4.
हाँ.
मैंने एक्चुअली दिमाग ज्यादा लगा.
हाँ, ज्यादा नहीं लगाने का, दिल से काम करने का.
आजकल एलईडी लगा के इधर लाइट एमिटिंग डायोड है, इधर रिले लगी है, इधर सर के ऊपर पंखा चल रहा है.
Actually, he likes 1.
No.
Yes, he likes 1.
A few moments later.
Yeah, actually one is best. बाकी
See?
तो ऐसे ही.
देखा?
1.
I went back to see Padmavat second time just for
Yeah, for
Ranveer
the
Singh.
character of Khilji.
Khilji out freaking standing.
He's outstanding.
Yeah.
That
People
interview
keep
that
trolling. खाना क्या बनाएगी, कपड़े ऐसे पहन के जाती है, खाना कैसे बनाती है? मैंने कहा एक्सक्यूज, इन हील्स में.
you have to select your favorite out of these 4. But your and Abhishek's banter is crazy.
Yeah.
Rubina is coming like चुप कर, तू अपना काम कर.
उसको पहाड़ों से लड़की चाहिए जो मैं उसको दिलवाने वाली नहीं हूँ. Yeah.
So this game is very simple. Okay, it's called Myntra presents If You Know You Know. IYK. Basically compatibility test, but with a twist.
Okay.
Okay. उसमें क्या होगा, आपको कंपैटिबिलिटी ट्विस्ट में कंपैटिबिलिटी टेस्ट में हमेशा सवाल पूछा जाता है कि which is her favorite, which is his favorite. We are gonna give you the options also.
Oh.
So we're giving you 4 options each. 4 questions are there. You will have to select your option. Suppose it's Abhinav's question कि अभिनव इनमें से क्या चूज करेंगे. So he'll have to write 1, 2, 3, 4 में कौन सा. It has to match with yours. We have to see if it matches yours or no. वैसे करके एक करके करना है, 4 करना है.
4 करते हैं.
4 करते हैं. So
Yeah.
all 4 questions of Ruby first,
Yeah.
and then 4 questions of.
Yeah.
So Ruby will write her answers. If you match it, you get a point.
चलो.
Okay.
Copy that.
First thing for Ruby. There are bags. Which bag out of these 4 would you pick? These are all 4 bags from Myntra.
कोई
So
ब्रांड्स है?
let's,
ब्रांड्स बताओ.
Brands need look by the
Just
look.
look by the look of it.
Yeah.
And let's call the top left 1,
1, 2, 3, and 4.
1, 2, 3 and 4. So,
हाँ. 1, 2,
Clockwise.
3, and 4. It will always be that.
अच्छा ऐसे करना है.
हाँ.
Okay, ठीक है.
ठीक है ना. Pink वाला 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ruby will have to pick for yourself, and he will have to pick for you. Cheating नहीं. I think Abhinav has selected the one which he would like to buy for you.
No, the opposite way.
Acha, which one would you have bought if you had to
He
buy?
just gifted me a bag on Valentine's Day, and he should know it.
I would have gone
And
for the
I
second.
really love his bow.
I would have also gone for the second one. What have you written? Please
तुमने
show.
बोला ना कि पूरा लिखना है, उसके बाद बताएंगे.
नहीं पूरा नहीं, पहले दिखा दीजिए आप.
दिखा दूं?
हाँ, फर्स्ट वाला मैच हुआ है कि नहीं. नंबर 2, नंबर 4 लिखा है अभिनव ने.
बट तुमने 2 बोला अभी 4.
हाँ,
That if I would have picked for my, मतलब to gift you, but what you would pick is
I would pick.
thought
I would pick 2, and I told you also. He just gifted me a bag, and I really love the selections that he gets for me. खुद जवाब देने के बावजूद, सही जवाब देने के बावजूद,
मैंने actually-
questioning himself.
मैंने actually दिमाग ज्यादा लगा.
हाँ, ज्यादा नहीं लगाने का, दिल
हाँ.
से काम करने का.
और थोड़ा नंबर बड़ा करके लिखना.
बड़ा.
हाँ, ठीक है. सेकंड वन, 4 outfits you have to select. Okay.
मैं कौन सा पहनूंगी?
हाँ, which one would you buy?
मैं कौन सा बाई करूंगी?
या which one would you wear?
कोई भी नहीं, इसका ऑलरेडी मुंह बन गया.
पहनना पड़ेगा.
But I have to tell you that I love what you're wearing on Last Chefs. Oh my God, the day we did that
People
interview.
keep trolling. खाना क्या बनाएगी, कपड़े ऐसे पहन के जाती है, खाना कैसे बनाती है? मैंने कहा एक्सक्यूज, इन हील्स में. A cook can be sassy as well.
Show them the badges after you win them. ऐसे
Yeah.
ऐसे करके जो badges होता है ना, वो that's enough.
Yeah, and you have to pour in the confidence that you walk and strut around with.
I am telling you, the day we did our interviews, the outfit that you wore, the jacket you wore, I love it. It's like high-end fashion. Only people who
मैं तो
love
खुद सोच रहा हूँ
fashion.
आजकल एलईडी लगा के इधर लाइट एमिटिंग डायोड है, इधर रिले लगी है, इधर सर के ऊपर पंखा चल रहा है.
Okay, what is it that you have selected? He selected one. You have selected one. Wow.
Actually, he likes one.
No.
Yes, he likes one.
No.
He
You would
likes
have selected
Huh.
3.
no. He
Oh.
likes body hugging bodycons.
Yeah, actually, one is best. Baki
See,
does he?
देखा?
One.
So I'm thinking from his perspective as
And
well.
you're making me win.
Kind of, yes.
Yeah, which is lovely.
Shabash.
Okay.
See, पहले वाले बैग में भी वही था. इसने जवाब कुछ और दिया, लिखा कुछ और.
Hmm.
And I knew that what he's
चलो,
wanting.
एक तो जीत गई ना रूबी. Next one you should win. Okay, these are 4 अभी के actors. Who's your favorite actor out of these 4? Ranveer,
That is so
Vicky,
sweet.
and Kat. Ranveer, wow, 2 points.
I went back to see Padmavat second time just
Yeah,
for
for
Ranveer
this
Singh.
character of Khilji.
Khilji out freaking standing.
He's outstanding.
Actually, ये चारों ही बहुत.
चारों ही बहुत.
They are like.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
No, that's
I
why I
like that.
selected all the 4 from this
especially
generation
Khilji
who are
is
actually. Yeah. Have you watched Chava? He's so good.
Really?
For the
I've
last
seen it.
30 minutes, I have watched the movie like this. Like, it's very gory about कि उन्होंने जो दिखाया ना जो actually उनके साथ हुआ है. Oof, people have cried.
Yeah.
People, the reactions are crazy. The last 30 minutes
We'll
are.
go for it. पर मैं दिन में जाऊंगी. मैं
हाँ.
रात को सोना रोना नहीं.
Okay, now these are 4 team members of yours from Laughter Shots.
अच्छा, अच्छा.
You have to select your favorite out of these 4. इन चारों में रुबीना का सबसे क्लोज या रुबीना का सबसे प्यारा कौन है या प्यारी?
Close.
मतलब who would you pick out of these 4? अंकिता, राहुल, अभिषेक and Elvish.
Be politically correct. Politically correct. Tricky.
Tricky.
Yeah, you.
अरे यार शो खत्म होने के बाद पूछते ना अभी. अभी आंसर चेंज हो जाएगा.
Favoritism क्यों चाहिए तुमको?
हाँ, no, but
है
you
ही
have
नहीं
to.
favorites.
It's not a favorite. Who are you still closer to among all of these?
अच्छा, closer मतलब ठीक ठाक बात
हाँ.
और ये सब हो
Yeah.
जाती है. नोक झोंक and all that.
Yeah.
ये तो स्क्रीन जा रही है तुम्हारी. किस मैं वही सोच रही हूँ अभी 5 दिन हुए हैं शूट के. चलो.
Show. I know what he has selected. Ankita, you've written
अभिषेक.
Abhishek. But you're an Abhishek's banter is crazy.
Yeah.
अभिषेक को अगर कोई चुप करा सकता है तो वो रुबीना अकेली है.
Yeah.
रुबीना इज कमिंग लाइक चुप कर, तो अपना काम कर.
उसको पहाड़ों से लड़की चाहिए जो मैं उसको दिलवाने वाली नहीं हूँ. Yeah.
2 points he got. Now it's time for you to match up.
Okay.
Okay. Now the first things are 4 watches from Myntra. Which
अच्छा
one?
मेरा हो गया. अच्छा.
हाँ.
Now it is Appu. Okay.
Yeah. So 4 watches में कौन सा वाला he will pick?
He will pick.
उनका जवाब लॉक हो चुका है. रुबीना का जवाब क्या है? 4. Wow, Ruby! I'm very proud of you.
So to be honest, my favorite is Garmin.
Yeah.
Put
So
on
he
record.
was trying
मेरे लिए
to bring
functionality
something.
is first, but if
closer.
there is no functionality, then it has to look good.
Yeah.
I thought of putting one, but that would have been very easy.
Very easy. Very
Because
easy.
I would know
Correct.
now that he would
Very
pick.
easy. Yeah.
He would pick that.
Yeah.
So now these are 4 kurtas.
This is so easy for her.
Let's see. 2. अरे वाह रूबी. I'm shocked, but not actually shocked. No, I'm very happy. I just want him to win. Third one is basically genres of movies. Okay, these are all Shah Rukh Khan movies, but the reason is the difference is this is action, this is rom-com, this is a social drama, and this is a comedy. Which one would he pick?
He's watched none. He's watched none.
वीर ज़रा देखिए.
No, basically, out of, it's not about picking the movies.
Genres.
It's about the genres.
Yeah.
Like action, comedy, romance, social drama, and comedy. Action! वाह, 3 on 3 भैया, ये तो मतलब अलग ही है. 4th वाला मिल जाएगा
नहीं,
मुझे लग रहा है.
बहुत-
आसान सवाल है ये.
नहीं, बहुत मेडिटेशन लगती है, जानने के लिए एनर्जी लगती है, पहचानने के लिए समय लगता है, और फिर प्यार से उसे पुचकारने के लिए मेहनत लगती है.
वाह, last one. Will it be a 4 on 4?
Impressive, really.
Who would he pick out of these 4 cricketing legends? Sachin Tendulkar, MS Dhoni, Virat Kohli, or Rohit Sharma?
He's an old soul.
Sachin Tendulkar, अरे भाई साहब, we have to clap for her. 4 out of 4.
Yeah,
Listen,
the hamper goes to me.
the hamper
Goes home.
goes home, but there's a thing special about this hamper. I'll tell you. So this hamper is to you, Ruby.
To me?
Yes, you won both the rounds.
अच्छा,
So this
पैसे?
is for you from Myntra, but you have to open it and there's a surprise.
भाव करके कुछ बाहर तो नहीं
नहीं,
ऐसे
ऐसा
स्ट्रिंग आएगा.
See, I love
बैग
you.
बैग बैग है. नाइस वन, प्रिटी वन.
अभी वैलेंटाइंस पे आपके पति ने आपको बैग दिया, अब भाई ने भी दे दिया है.
So nice.
So you can keep both. And
Yeah.
by the way, I love
थोड़े दिन
him
बाद-
also. I love him also.
थोड़े
So
दिनों
that-
बाद इसमें इधा जीवा के वो मिलेंगे. toys.
Diapers and shoes and zippers.
And that is for him, because of course I had to get something for him,
Boo!
and I hope you like
Nice one,
it.
nice one.
The loser gets a nice watch.
Baby,
You actually
you're
won
winner
in life.
Awesome, man.
Thank you guys
This is
for
so pretty.
doing
Thank
this.
you. Thank you.
I hope you liked it.
Well, we loved it.
Absolutely loved it.
And I think more than the hampers, 1.5 hour of chit chat, I think what I personally have liked is ये अभी 2 सालों में ना हमें एक दूसरे से बात करने का वक्त नहीं मिला है. So I truly appreciate, value this conversation, because एक दूसरे के विचार जानना, and that too after such a huge transformation in our lives individually.
Yeah.
It is very, very, very
We should
important.
buy both of these slates.
And keep writing.
Every evening we should have a game.
Please do.
मम्मी को बोलेंगे मम्मी आप पूछना सवाल.
No,
I will
jokes apart.
send her the questions also every
No,
day.
no,
Don't
no.
worry.
Ah, you are good at it, so.
I'll
Jokes
send.
apart, thank you, Nan. Thank you for giving us this time that we could sit uninterrupted, without phones, without crying, or somebody's wanting to, divide our attention, because we really struggle to find that time for us.
Yeah, but I'm missing them now. So
Yeah.
Let's go.
go and get bothered.
ये होता है.
अभी मैं यहाँ पर मांग रही हूँ कि please give me attention, give me time. Now he says I'm missing them. But that's the beauty about being parents, that it's challenging, but yes, it's rewarding.
I want to tell you this, that I just went on a show, and the episode came out. By the time the episode came out, I had already decided in my head that I'm going to start my own. जब मैंने शो किया था उतना मेरे दिमाग में नहीं था. It was always a plan that I had, that I will do, and I still keep following it, because financial security is something that everybody craves for, right? And it's a very big step for anybody. So after the show's response, the kind of response that I got from your show also encouraged me to do something of my own. And genuinely, I want to tell people that लोग बोलते हैं कि रिश्ते की वैल्यू कम होती जा रही है. मेरा पूरा करियर रिश्तों के आधार पे ही और बलबूते पे ही बना है. And I'm so happy that everybody who I have known,
Amazing.
who I have loved, and who loved me as one of their own, are coming on the show, and it had to be both of you. And I'm so happy that you took out your time from your kids to come and do this for me and for my channel, because genuinely I'll hold this very, very, very close to my heart, and the pleasure has always
See,
been ours.
there's a very good takeaway from this. कि तुम्हारा जो करियर है वो रिश्तों पे बना है.
Absolutely.
And मतलब juxtaposition when I was young, you know, I was of the opinion like, you know, मतलब इतना अहमियत नहीं थी relationships की, इतनी importance नहीं थी. Life was all about logic, learning more, being aggressive. But now I'm 41. 41 है ना? 41 हूँ ना? So now I'm 41. And I've realized
+2.
And I've realized that the world doesn't run on logic. The world actually runs on emotion.
Emotion.
Absolutely.
The elections are won because of emotion. The सरकारें इमोशन से बनती हैं. सारे डिसीजन हम जो लेते हैं वो
परिवार
emotional
इमोशन
हैं.
से बनता है.
हर चीज. So logic is a very small part, but for me, you know, in my younger days, it was the biggest part. So very good takeaway from you that, you know, you've made your career because of good relations. That's what is important. And Abhi, I told her this. I was in US. I was in Malibu, and I went to the temple there. So one, you know, family recognized me, and the woman came in. Can I have a picture with you? So the guy was taking a picture. Her husband. He was like, she was like, Big Boss. He's like, yeah, the logic guy. I'm like, yeah, exactly, the logic guy. And then he starts walking out, and then he goes like, you should have been the winner. I'm like, logic never wins. I was thinking he might not get the joke and the reality of it, and he got it, and he goes like, yeah, you're right. So something might have like flashed in his, you know, from his experience. So yeah, concluding it with the good takeaway.
Absolutely. And
Everything
as your
is-
mother says, अच्छे लोगों के साथ हमेशा अच्छा ही होता है.
Yeah.
Thank you for
Absolutely.
doing it. Genuinely.
Yes. No. We loved doing it, and when I asked him, he did not give it a second thought. He said,
I know that.
yeah. And
See, I do get calls for podcasts and all.
and he
उतनी
clearly
नहीं,
says,
उतनी
मुझसे
नहीं,
बात नहीं होती है.
जितनी बिग बॉस के बाद थी. उस मतलब बिग बॉस का अगले 2-3 महीने was like super वो. I was getting bombarded with calls. They don't call anymore because अभी engagement कम हो गई, reach कम हो गई मेरी.
अच्छा ये भी है.
But of course, the world runs on this like brutal principle. अरे यार उसकी अभी तो चल नहीं रहा है, छोड़
आप
अभी
देखो
काम
ना,
नहीं
बिग
कर रहा
बॉस
है.
के बाद सडनली गाने
लेकिन-
किनके आते हैं?
लेकिन you, when she said he's calling both of us, I'm like, we'll go because you're one of them. Like you said, कि आपने रिश्तों पे अपना करियर बनाया है because you remembered, you know, like अभी, you know, you could have conveniently just called her that Rubina, come on my show, then just she's got the reach, she's got the views. So yeah.
No, for me, both of you are important. Like I said, that I know, you know, I'll tell you something. I told this to Ankita. So Ankita is somebody who is like my Rakhi sister. So it's so important that when you look at, like I look at Rubina also like a sister. I'm from a very brotherly perspective. I always looked at her. So it's very important that you feel that your sister is with somebody who you firstly connect with and who really cares for her. And you've been that one person. Even when we speak so much about you. Whenever there's a post that she must have posted with the kids or there's a video, the first thing that I think of is telling her that, you know, like we discussed, that it's a privilege to have a husband, have a partner, have a son, have a friend and a father like you, because not many men behave the way you do. So if
Yeah,
people
not all
have
that
not called you,
perfect.
it's their loss. I am happy that I did this, and I will always be there for both of you
Thank you.
and your families, and be extremely protective. When I am going to be 55 and they are gonna be 25, I am gonna be there. I'm gonna say hello, हाथ लगा के दिखाओ हम हैं ना. So I am that person. So I'll definitely, and I know both of you are
Means a
also the
lot.
same, because
Yeah.
relationships also matter to you guys. And thank you for doing this.
Thank you, Nayan. Wonderful, lovely conversation.
धन्यवाद.
Thank you.
जय हिंद.
Hi, I'm Rubina Dalek, and this is the most beautiful human being on the earth, my husband Abhinav Shukla. That is Nayan, and you're watching us on Nayan Sense.
Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe.
Share, like, and do whatever you want. Just follow his channel.
Shop trendy styles for every occasion, only on Myntra. Also, by the way, if you love what I'm wearing right now, you can shop this look only from Myntra.